Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you my recipe for my cherry almond bundt cake. And you can make this vegan or not by changing the milk. So let's get started. And you'll find a written recipe below the video. I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm going to mix those up. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 teaspoons of almond extract, and I have approximately a half a cup of cherries that I have cut in half, and I'm adding that to my batter. Mix all that up. And I have a bundt pan that I have greased and floured. And I'm going to add my batter. And I'm going to bake at 350 degrees for approximately 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, my cake is finished and I baked it for about 45 minutes and just keep baking it until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And I've let it cool a little bit and I'm going to pass a knife just around the outside, make sure it's not stuck. And then I'm going to release that, lift that out, pass my knife around the inside, and I'm going to turn it upside down on a plate. And I like the other side better, so I'm just going to take another plate and put it on top. And flip it over. I will put a link below for my vegan buttercream frosting. And I'm going to place some cherries on top. And I'm going to try and place one for each piece of cake. So I'll even them out this way. I'll put 2 in between each of these. And then I'll sprinkle some almonds on top. Like that. And I'm going to allow that to set up and then I'll slice it up. Okay, I cooled my cake down in the refrigerator and I'm going to cut a slice. Like that. And there you have some almond cherry bundt cake. Hope you'll try this recipe. It's very quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.